What's up, everybody? Hey, check this out. So this company called FIFINE Technology. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. FIFINE, I like that. Fine. Okay, forget it. Bad joke, I know. But I think it's FIFINE. Maybe it's FIFINE. Oh, FIFINE. Kind of like hi-fi, high. Forget it. FIFINE Technology, okay. That's what we're gonna stick with. I got this USB lavalier microphone. So while I'm recording right now, this portion of the video is actually being recorded right here on my Rode shotgun mic. It's right above my head. Now, a lot of times when I'm on the move, I'll stick my lavalier mic in there, and it's some generic brand I bought off Amazon, and I'll just kind of stick it right here. And a lot of my previous videos before I got this one, actually I think all of them are recorded with that lavalier mic. But this, and that lavalier mic plugged into your auxiliary port or your microphone jack. This actually from FIFINE is, okay, so this is your unboxing right here. I got my computer right here because it's ready. This is a USB. So this is a USB lavalier microphone. Not a whole lot to the, oh, man, that's huge. That is a big old windscreen. FIFINE Technology has a USB lavalier microphone, which can come in handy in a lot of applications. Let me glance through these instructions real quick. Okay, not a whole lot to it, man. You just plug it in, put it on your body, and start talking. So real quick, let me just do a quick walkthrough of this thing, and then let me unravel it real quick as well. See how long this cord is. I believe there's a 6-foot cord. That's what I saw somewhere on some of the packaging. So you got this 6-foot cord, and then you have your USB. So all your technology is actually in this little box right here. It looks like a flash drive. So you have a port here for your headphones so you can monitor while you're actually recording. And it looks like some LEDs on here too, so we'll check those out. Got a little ventilation right here, looks like. I don't know if this thing is gonna be getting hot or not. It's just a lavalier mic. But then you got, on the other end, you have your alligator clip, which seems very sturdy. It's actually built out of metal, so that's nice. It's not gonna pop. Oh, it comes off. So wait a minute, let's get this windscreen off. This looks huge. It looks like, you know what, this reminds me of the little top hat the soldiers have on their heads. But let me take this off here and see how big the microphone actually is. So the microphone is actually a pretty good size. Man, yeah, that's a whole lot of mic. I cannot wait to see how this thing sounds. You can actually pop this off of here, this alligator clip. It pops off just like that. Not sure why you would want to do that, but let's pop it back in. And let's put the windscreen on just because. I'm gonna go ahead and put this thing right here on my shirt because the rest of the video, as soon as I get things popping, I'm gonna do the rest of the video. You know what, let me put it on this side. I'm gonna do the rest of the video from this microphone so we can get a sound test. It's a microphone. You got to have a sound test, baby. So I'll be right back. Okay, I just had to get my headphones here. Hey, so these are the Bluetooth vinyls. Okay, I love these headphones for kind of like monitoring purposes when I use a mic. So these are the Bluetooth vinyls right here. Let's plug it in. And I'll plug this in later. I'll plug the headphones in later. I just want to see how this operates with my computer. I'm not using any fancy microphone software. I plugged it in, it automatically recognizes it. We're setting up the driver. It's setting up, right? Device is ready. So truly plug and play. Now let's see, it's ready to go. So I don't even know what I need to do next. I guess I just start recording. Okay, let me pull up my recording app. So the app I'm using on Windows 10, I think this is Windows 10. It's just the voice recorder app. Nothing special. I'm not gonna do any adjustments of the sound in the software, nothing like that. Okay, right now I'm actually recording. Okay, so, I see a LED. Okay, there's a blue light flashing in there. I guess that just means it's got power and I'm recording. Let me monitor things going on through this headset, see how that works out. Okay, so you can monitor what's going on. When you go into your control panel and play around with the settings, you can figure out how to monitor. You're just gonna have to unlock some stuff basically. But yeah, this actually gives you good instructions on how to do that because I just read through them. Sometimes you need the instructions. But hey, so let's just wrap up this review. And since you're getting a sound test right now, because I'm actively using the microphone right now, this is your sound test on how this microphone is going to sound. Like I said, I'm not going to do any special editing to the software. I'm just going to take this raw sound material and put it in the video as is. I ain't claiming to be an expert in this stuff, but I do kind of look like the real deal with a lav mic hooked up to my shirt and these headphones on. I look real boss-like, right? Like podcast ready, right? No, I'm just messing with y'all. Hey, y'all get out of here. But before y'all do, y'all go ahead and tap on that like button, smash on that subscribe button, and I'll see y'all at the next one.